Hi guys, this is my 9th day for exercising and today we are going to start with Chandra Namaskar, okay? So let's get up and then we are going to start with Chandra Namaskar. Fine, come in Samsthiti. Then 1, Namaskar position. Go back little bit. Then come down, touch the ground. Left leg will go back. Then this position. Then come like this and then go back little bit. You have to make a balance here. Then come like this. Go back. Come like this and then this. And then this. Once again come up. Left leg will come आगे. This and this. Then come. Samsthiti. Fine guys, once again we are going to repeat that from the right side. Namaskar Mudra. Go back a little bit. Then once again come down. Right leg will go back. Right leg will come in front. Namaskar Mudra. Go a little back. Come here. Samsthiti. Fine guys, we are going to repeat the cycle once again. 4 more to go. Samsthiti. Namaskar Mudra. Go back. Left leg will go back. Namaskar Mudra. Come up. Left leg will come in front. Namaskar Mudra and then we will go back little bit. 1. Then right leg will come in front. Namaskar Mudra will go back. And then Namaskar Mudra near the chest and then Samsthiti. Fine. Now the right side. Namaskar Mudra. We'll go back a little bit. Come down. Right leg will go back. Namaskar Mudra. And we will go back a little bit. Doing Ardha Chandra Asana. Right leg will come in front. Namaskar Mudra. And we will go up little bit doing Ardha Chandrasana. Like this. Front left leg will come in front. Namaskar. Going up. Coming till the chest. And then Samasthiti. 3 more to go. 2 completed. Let's get started. Left side we will do. Start with left side. Samasthiti. Namaskar position. Come up and little bit go back. Come down. Left leg will go back. And then this position. And then Ardha Chandrasana. Like this. And then do like this. Knees on the ground. Chin down. Bhujangasana. Come up. Left leg will come in front. Ardha Chandrasana. Right leg will come in front. And then come up. And then chest part. Namaskar coming to the chest part. And then Samasthiti. Fine. Now the right side, same thing. We have completed 2 cycles. This is the 3rd cycle that we are going on to. Right side we are going to do now. Samasthiti. Hands to the chest. Go back a little bit. Come down. Right leg will go back. Ardha Chandrasana. Come down. Left leg will go back. Knees on the ground. Chin on the ground. Bhujangasana. Come up. Right leg will come in front. We will perform Ardha Chandrasana. Come back again. Left leg will come in front. Go back. And Samasthiti. Fine guys, 3 cycles completed, 2 more to go. Let's get started. Samasthiti. Hands to the chest. Hands going up and little bit back. Come down. Left leg will go back. We will perform Ardha Chandrasana. And then right leg will also go back. Knees on the ground, chin on the ground. Bhujangasana. Come up. Left leg will come in front. Ardha Chandrasana. Down. Right leg will come in front. Hands will go up. Chest. Hands to the chest. And then Samastiti. We will repeat it on the right side. It's going to be the 4th cycle that is going to be completed. Let's do with the right side also. Samastiti. Hands to the chest. Go back. Come down. Right leg will go back. We will perform Ardha Chandrasana. Come in front. Left leg will go back. Knees on the ground, chin on the ground. Come up. Right leg will come in front. We will perform Ardha Chandrasana. Left leg will come up in front. Hands going up. Hands to the chest. And Samastiti. Fine. One more cycle to go. Fine, guys. Left side now. 5th cycle. Samastiti. Hand to the chest. Hands will go back. Come down. Left leg will go back. We will do Ardha Chandrasana. Leg will go back. Knees to the ground, chin to the ground. Bhujangasana. Come up. Left leg will come up. Come in front. We will perform Ardha Chandrasana. Right leg will come in front. Hands will go up. Hands to the chest. And Samastiti. Now the right side. Samastiti. Hands to chest. Go back. Come down. Right leg will go back. Ardha Chandrasana. Left leg will go back. Parvatasana. Knees on the ground. Chin on the ground. Bhujangasana. Come up. Right leg will come in front. Chandrasana, Ardha Chandrasana. Left leg will come in front. Hands will go up. Hands to the chest. And then Samastiti. Fine, guys. Fine, guys. Now we are going to do slow mountain climbers, okay? Slow mountain climbers. 20 seconds of rest and then we are going to do that. Fine, guys. Let's come to the position, mountain position. And then we are going to do mountain climbers, slow mountain climbers. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Fine, guys. Let's take some rest and then we are going to do bicycle crunches. Okay, bicycle crunches. Let's get started with bicycle crunches. Lie down on the ground or on your mat. Head will come little bit up. Legs will be up. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fine, guys. Take some rest. Then we are going to do reverse crunches, okay? Reverse crunches we will do. Legs will come till the chest and then straighten the legs. Fine, let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fine, guys. Be on the mat itself because next exercise is going to be leg raises, okay? We are going to do 10 leg raises, okay? Fine, guys, let's get started. Hips under your hands, under your hips, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fine, guys. Now we are going to do Sarvangasana, and then if possible we will go down in Sarvangasana also. Fine, guys. Let's come little bit down so that you can see me.